This is usually what happens at the 341 meetings. You're number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the calendar. Sometimes you have to wait around and listen to other people's cases. But when it's your actual turn, the trustee asks you about 10 yes and no questions. They may ask you a particular question about your situation, such as what's the address of where you work? Do you plan to keep your car? Or they may ask you some little question about a transaction. But in the grand scheme of things, it takes less than 10 minutes for your portion. In California, all of them are on Zoom. So a lot of times my clients get on Zoom, they wait longer than their actual hearing. And once their hearing is completed, they get to leave the meeting. So nothing is in person anymore. You'll see me on Zoom. You'll see obviously yourself on Zoom. And then you'll see the trustee on Zoom. And you'll see a ton of other boxes of people. You're going to see the other bankruptcy attorneys and the other debtors who filed around the same time you did. And this was the hearing date that was scheduled. What I always tell people though is, the trustees are extremely particular about distractions in the background. They don't want to hear dogs barking. They don't want you to have a bad Wi-Fi connection. They don't want you driving. They don't want your kids running around. And they certainly don't want other people in the frame who is not the debtor. So usually husband and wife, they sit together, but anyone else cannot be in the frame. No other people can be giving you answers. Even as your attorney, I cannot answer questions for you. But many debtors of mine are surprised at how easy the 341 meeting is. All of the heavy lifting actually comes with the document gathering, all of the information you have to give to your bankruptcy attorney, the petition that gets put together, signing off on the petition, getting it filed, and honestly, just your anxiety about the whole entire situation. But once you get to the 341, it's pretty easy.